Dear students, today consider first term of a cone. What is first term of a cone? Suppose this is the cone. If we section this, bisect this cone by a plane, then we get this. This will be separate. Originally, this is a cone. If we close this, bisect this by a plane, then we get this. And cancel this lower portion, this is called frustum of a cone. So just like bucket, so a cone sliced by a plane parallel to the base, and we get this is the frustum. We separate this cone, and this is called the two parts separated, this part, and this is called frustum of a cone. Now what is the volume, surface area of a frustum of a cone? Now first we consider the formula of volume. Number one, volume of the frustum of the cone. Frustum of the cone. This is 1 by 3 pi is 1 by 3 pi is R1 square, R2 square, R1 into R2. This is the volume of the frustum of a cone. 1 by 3 pi R1 square, R2 square, R1, R2. Next, that means here R1 is greater than, so if lower radius is R1, this is upper is R2, then obviously this radius is greater than of this, then we get this one. Now number 2, in number 2, the curved surface area, the curved surface area of the frustum of the cone. The curved surface area of the frustum of the cone, this equal to pi R1 plus R2 into L. So in general, we know curved surface area of a cone pi RL. And here you have to remember R1 plus R2. Pi R1 plus R2. Number 3. So where L means slant height, L equal to root over h square. This is R1 minus R2 whole square. We get this h square R1 minus R2 whole square. So we get this is curved surface area, and total surface area, total surface area of the frustum. Total surface area of the frustum of the cone, this is pi L R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square pi R2 square. That means lateral surface area plus this circle. This is pi R1 square pi R2 square, and this is pi RL. RL means R1 plus R2. This is the total surface area of the frustum of the cone, and where L means L equal to root over h square plus R1 minus r2 whole square, r1 minus r2 whole square. These are the formula. So we shall solve some problems by using this formula. Volume of the first term of the cone equal to 1 by 3 pi h r1 square r2 square r1 r2, r1 square plus r2 square r1 r2, and surface area, curved surface area of the first term of the cone pi r1 plus r2. In general we know pi rl, and here r equal to putting r1 plus r2, and total surface area is pi rl pi r1 square pi r2. So that means this surface area is pi rl, r means r1 plus r2, and this circle we get this is pi r1 square pi r2 square. This is the total surface area of the first term of the cone. Consider exercise 13.4. The problem given, use pi equal to 22 by 7 unless stated otherwise. So the problem one given, a drinking glass is in the shape of a frustum of a cone of height 14 centimeter. The diameters of its two circular ends are 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Find the capacity of the glass. So this height given, this height given 14 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter is height from this to this, and diameters also given. This diameter given 4, this diameter given 2. Now what is the capacity? That means we have to find volume of the frustum of the cone. This is just like we consider this glass. Suppose this is our glass, and we have a, above this we get circle, here also circle, and this diameter given 4 centimeter, and this diameter, alternatively this will be smaller, this is greater, this is 4 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, and this height given 14 centimeter. Now what is the capacity? Now what is the volume of this? That means that one. What is the volume of the glass? Now we consider this. So here solution is start. Here height is equal to given 14 centimeter. Diameter d1 equal to 4 centimeter, d2 equal to 2 centimeter. Radius r1 equal to 4 by 2, this is 2 centimeter, and r2 equal to 2 by 2, this is 1 centimeter. These are the radius. Now we find volume, therefore capacity, therefore volume, since volume of the frustum of the cone, that means glass, this equal to, we know the formula, pi 1 by 3 pi h r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. This is our formula, 1 by 3 pi h r1 square r2 square r1 into r2. Now putting the ready-made values, 1 by 3 pi means 22 by 7, and h means 14, r1 means 2, r2 means 1, this is 2 into 1, and this is 7, 2, 1 by 3, this one 44, 2 into 22 44, this is 4 plus 1 plus 2, and this will be 1 by 3 into 44 into 6 7. So we get 1 by 3, this is 3, and 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28, then 30. So if we divide this by 3, 3 10s are 30, 3 2, and 2 by 3. We get this 102 2 by 3 centimeter cube. So we have to find the capacity of the glass. Therefore, the required capacity of the glass equal to 102 2 by 3 centimeter cube. This is our answer. So very nice solution, very easy. So this is the answer is 102 2 by 3 centimeter cube. Problem number 2. The problem 2 given the cylinder height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter and the perimeters, that means circumference of its circular ends are 18 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the frustum. Now what are given? This is our cylinder height. Cylinder height given 4 centimeter and this circumference 18 centimeter, this circumference 6 centimeter. Now what is the curved surface area? We have to find curved surface area. That means we have to find this. Suppose if we consider this is the frustum, then this circumference, this one given, this one given, and what is the curved surface? We have to find curved surface area. So this we want to solve this problem. Here cylinder height L equal to given 4 centimeter, circumference suppose C1 equal to 18 centimeter, C2 equal to 6 centimeter, and C1 means 2 pi R1 equal to 18 and 2 pi R2 equal to 6. So R1 equal to 18 by twice pi, this is 9 by pi centimeter, and R2 equal to 6 by twice pi, this is 3 by pi centimeter. We get the radius of this portion, radius, and this is R2, these are the radius. Now curved surface area. Since curved surface area of the frustum of the cone equal to, we know this formula, pi R1 plus R2 into L. This is our formula, pi into R1 plus R2 L. So pi means pi remains same. R1 means 9 by pi, R2 means 3 by pi, L means 4 given. So this is pi, this is 12 by pi. Pi is LCM, then 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 by pi into 4, pi cancel, we get 48 centimeter square. So the we get the curved surface area is 48 centimeter square. Therefore, the required curved surface area equal to 48 centimeter square, and this is our final answer, and this is the complete solution of the given problem. Problem is very easy, just radius are not given, we find radius, and using this formula ultimately we get our result. So dear students, I think the solution is very easy. If the solution is easy, you are feeling easy, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon also. Thank you.